Hello YouTube, it's John and I have an unboxing for you today, and it is the high-grade Gundam The Origins Mobile Suit Discovery line of model kits FA-78-2 Heavy Gundam. Now there was a Master Grade 1.0 version of this Heavy Gundam which I skipped. I didn't want to pre-order that just cause it was 1.0. If it was a 2.0 Heavy Gundam, then hell yes, I would have gotten it. And I was pretty excited that they announced this, I think a few months back, and I finally got it. It was pretty late to get into the mail due to some unforeseen circumstances. But overall, it's here, and I'm gonna do the unboxing now. Well, let's take a look at the front of the box. Pretty nice pose for the Gundam. Nice brownish gray color, I guess to emulate the color of the suit that's inside. Let's get the box open, and here are the runners, greeted with a sticker sheet. In the beginning, let's open this. So that's a lot of markings. Sadly, they're not water slide, but I'm not complaining. It's pretty good. I really like the Gundiver, so I guess I'll like this kit as well. Let's take a look at these runners. Clear red visor piece, and parts for the shield, and parts for the hands. So this side, on the next runner, oh, I won't be able to open this. I'm gonna need the scissors, but I guess you can see the polycaps that are in here, and the face that's inside. You can see the eyes and the little red chin there. Here comes another runner with stickers in it. Foil stickers. And these stickers are obviously for the eyes and cameras. Now this is interesting. This is an interesting runner. Mainly because this is the weapons runner, the shoulder mounted cannon and the hand mounted beam rifle. So there's some thrusters there. These are obviously the leg parts, as you can see, the calves and the knee armor over there. Oh wow, okay, let's get the last one open. You get clear pieces for your beams. This one last. Okay, so here more calf armor, and it seems like this is an extension of this one. Yes, it is. This is definitely the big Gatling gun. The part for a Gatling gun, I think it's a Gatling gun or a Gatling cannon. And this is obviously the head, skirt armor, and more parts for the Gatling gun. This is looking really good. Can't wait to build it up. Well, seems like it does share a lot of parts from the Gundiver that I built a few years back. Obviously it will, since it's an RX-78. Here's the manual in black and white. There's no color. The Gundiver one did have some color in it, but it's a simple Gundam The Origins style manual. Everything in black and white. So yeah, that is the unboxing of this kit. I hope I'll have enough time to build this kit. I'm actually very busy with work lately. I haven't been able to build anything, well, mainly because I don't have anything else to build, but even if I did, like let's say this, I wouldn't have time to build it. Even making this unboxing video was... I really had to find the time to do it. So yeah, I'll have some more unboxing videos because I just got the Ifrit Nacht and the Advanced Hazel. Do wait for those, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.